Hey Growtopians, today I'm going to show you how to how to start a shop easy. So first, you're going to want to buy some sugarcane. That's like pretty simple, pretty cheap. You can probably get like 200 for a world block. And then really all you have to do is just break it like that. Get the seeds, get the gems, plant the seeds, grow the trees, take the gems, right there, yeah, bam. Then what you're going to want to do when you get 500 is just buy a rare seed pack. Really simple, you're going to get some good stuff like this. I actually didn't get too great of stuff, but whatever. Then, let's go over here. And as you can see, I have a bunch of rare stuff up here that I've already planted. Because, that's just what I do. So, you're going to take the rare stuff that you got, you're going to plant it in some form of farm world if you have one, and then just basically wait for it to grow. So, once it does, like this has, you take it, you're going to need 2 ropes for this, by the way. Go to a shop that you have, and then, when the tree's done growing, take whatever it was, drop it in your shop, bam, now you've got that in your shop. So, I have a pretty big shop world. It's empty right now, I haven't done anything with it. But, yeah, that's how you start a shop off easy, and then get more money and win. That's all, Growtopians.